It's Halloween.
Indeed. And we're having a Halloween party in lockdown in our house.
We're prisoners.
And do you know what makes it even creepier? We're stuck in a house where we've been hearing noises.
Really freaky noises.
Yep.
We're getting a bit worried. We gotta do some investigating.
Yeah, like last night I was lying in bed and I hear on my headboard
And I hear this.
scratching.
It was just like proper freaky. A Halloween pina colada.
We're just recording the party, but we want to see if we can capture any of the paranormal activity as well.
Exactly.
It's 7 a.m. when the purge.
Right, because I'm the
Okay,
devil.
right now we're going to play games and try and forget about the spooky
A
noises.
nation reborn. May God be with you all.
Because I'm the devil, I'm gonna be number 6.
Oh shit, a purge is starting. Do you know someone can just come and murder us and it'd be legal right now?
That's scary. We better barricade ourselves in.
We already have to anyway, basically.
Yeah. Because I'm the devil, I'm gonna be number 6. Chloe's my demon, so she can be number 12. I don't know what significance that is, but it's gonna be a significance now.
You should
Okay.
be 6, definitely. You're the devil.
So I'm going to be number 6. Claire, ready? So turn me around twice, no more than that, because I've been drinking spooky pina coladas. So spinning around is not going to be great.
This song is from the Sims spooky music station.
Spin me, babies. No, it's mine.
Oh yeah.
Spin me, baby. Spin me.
No, that's mine.
Oh.
We don't bother with blindfold because we trust each other.
Right. Oh, I feel all disorientated.
That's the idea.
I don't even know where I am. Oh, well,
You touched his private, so you went like that.
Alright,
Disc 11 from
demon
Minecraft.
bitch. Right, we'll do it once, okay?
Do you think this song's funny? Do you know what it is?
No.
It's a spooky version of SpongeBob.
Is it?
Yeah. Can you tell? No.
Not yet.
Bob, Squid.
I fucking won.
Oh. Let's see.
What are Krabby Patties made out of? Squidward asks, jealous of Mr. Krabs and SpongeBob. It's a secret, Mr. Squidward, but since you work here, I'll show you. Ah! Squidward was hesitant because of the shadiness in Krabs' voice, but he went anyways. Krabs took him into a dark room where the patties were being processed and turned on the lights. It was a shocking sight indeed. Several of Krabs' own species lie dead on the floor. A torture table lay with shackles and saw blades next to it. The room was splattered with blood as crabs of every age hung from the ceiling. Squidward was frightened, and before he could leave, he was knocked out and blindfolded by Krabs with SpongeBob, who had been hiding in the shadows. Never tried squid in the formula before, says Krabs, picking up his butcher knife.
Right, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this camera recording while we go in the kitchen and have our buffet so that we can pick up any paranormal activity. Yo, dudes.
It's going to be on the floor, the game.
Oh, I can just do this then.
Have you got the bag of spiders? Throw the spider on the target. Actually, the targets are small. Right, that's a no.
Oh,
Dude!
I didn't even get it on the friggin' orange piece of paper.
What? How irritating. It's harder than my foot! Ew, those spiders look freaky. Homemade and all that.
It's the It theme song.
Oh!
I just zoomed. Yes! I hurt my arm pretending to play violin. Why would you be moving that hand as well? To hold it. The violin would be going like this. You'd be shaking it around and that. So yeah, guys, as you can see, we've watched back the footage, and yeah, there is stuff going on. I feel kind of weird.
What's going on?
No, I feel like I kind of want to like murder someone or something. Like an urge to like
Oh no,
kill.
that must just be you being possessed. What the hell? You didn't come back the same when you went to the toilet. It's, oh my god.